If prices go up in the near future, it's going to be because primarily interest rates are going to come down to a point where it's going to make buyers want to buy more than they already do. And right now, buyers want to buy quite a bit because in the Santa Clarita Valley, it would only take anywhere from 7 to 14 days to go from the inventory we have to none. And that's known as the absorption rate. That's if no other properties were added to the saleable inventory as we see every day. We have a handful. Every week we might get 30 or 40 new listings added. Right now it's kicked up a little bit because the market is after Super Bowl and we're starting to get into that springtime fun. We just had the date change as well. So time change, not date. The time change as well. So now we're spring forwarded in time, and that also allows properties to be shown later. People are starting to look around, starting to feel it out, say,